Get ready for your next road adventure. In this video, we've hand-picked 15 must-have car gadgets that will take your road trip to the next level. Let's dive in. The Butterfly Car Key by RBRN, a custom Porsche key designed like a butterfly knife. Crafted with high-quality materials, it's not only stylish but also functional, allowing you to unlock and start your car. Available in various colors and finishes, it's a unique accessory that's sure to catch everyone's eye. Specifically designed for the Porsche 964, a classic model, it's a must-have for enthusiasts and collectors. Elevate your Porsche experience with this blend of elegance and functionality. The Butterfly Car Key by RBRN is more than a key, it's a symbol of luxury and fine craftsmanship. ALAVENTE RGB 8-gang switch panel, your vehicle's ultimate control center. This universal switch panel empowers you to manage various devices effortlessly, from lights to pumps. Crafted with high-quality materials and a sleek design, it's also waterproof and dust-proof, ideal for off-road and marine use. With 8 programmable backlit switches, you can control 12 volts or 24 volts devices with ease. Enjoy the convenience of momentary switches for quick on/off actions and a built-in dimmer with auto-dimming, adapting to ambient light conditions. Smart 4K Mirror Dash Cam, a game-changer in your driving experience. This advanced dash cam offers stunning 4K front and 1080p rear resolution, with customizable front camera options. You can effortlessly adjust the viewing angle and select from various display modes. With streaming media technology, it eliminates blind spots and enhances safety. The GPS tracking keeps you informed of your speed and direction, while the parking monitor and super night vision add extra security. The loop recording and G-sensor functions ensure vital evidence is captured. Elevate your car's interior with car seat covers featuring captivating LED lights. These covers sync with your music's rhythm and even your voice, creating a lively, music show-like ambience. They're safe, with a 12 volts working voltage and child-friendly features. Crafted from durable leather and composite materials, these covers offer both style and longevity. The unique design perfectly fits your seat's curve, and non-slip silicone keeps them secure. GoodChief Universal Garage Laser Line Parking Assist, your key to stress-free and accurate garage parking. This ingenious device projects 2 bright laser lines onto your car's hood, providing a visual guide for perfect parking, even in low light conditions. The laser lines are fully adjustable to suit your preferences. Thanks to the built-in sound sensor, the system activates the lasers when you open your garage door. Make parking easier and more precise with this gadget, the ultimate solution for hassle-free garage parking. The versatile tailgate tent for your SUV, your ticket to effortless outdoor adventures. With its universal fit design, it easily attaches to SUVs, vans, CUVs, and MPVs, creating a perfect space for tailgate camping and comfortable vehicle-based sleepovers. Enjoy extra space and privacy under its large awning, which doubles as a shade and a privacy cover, complete with a bug-resistant mesh screen. Crafted with water-resistant materials, it provides protection from rain and harsh sunlight. The tent includes wind guide lines and stakes for added stability. It's incredibly easy to set up and lightweight to carry, ensuring your adventures are hassle-free. Groundbreaking dual-purpose traction boards, designed for off-road enthusiasts. These boards feature a unique double-sided design with a diamond array construction and cross-shaped teeth, providing exceptional flexibility and grip. Their robust build, made from upgraded automotive-grade polypropylene, ensures durability even in freezing conditions. These boards prevent slippage and are perfect for tough terrains. Plus, a neon orange nylon leash simplifies retrieval. Tired of sandy and wet car seats after a beach day? Blue Pelican has the answer. Our oversized beach towels conveniently loop over your car's headrests, covering the entire back seat. Crafted from soft, absorbent material, they dry quickly and keep your car seats spotless. Using them is a breeze, simply loop them over the headrests, and they'll stay put, even when you're on the move. Blue Pelican towels are the ideal solution for maintaining clean and dry car seats, no matter how much sand and water you bring back from your beach adventures. HEYTRIP, a game changer in the world of power banks. This pocket-sized powerhouse is designed to be the smallest and lightest on the market, while still delivering substantial charging capacity. About the size of a credit card and weighing just 1.5 ounces, it packs a 2000 mAh punch, enough for multiple device charges. What's more, it features a rapid charging mode, providing up to 50% faster charging than traditional power banks. Durability is a strong suit, with high-quality materials, water-resistant design, and shock-proof features. Tired of tangled wires and clutter? X Protectors cord clips are the solution you've been searching for. Made with premium materials, including silicone, plastic, tenacious adhesive, and strong magnets, these cable management clips ensure your wires stay in place. Versatility is key, as these cord holders work seamlessly on metal, wood, plastic, and other surfaces. Whether in your car, at home, or at the office, these magnetic cable organizers are perfect for your desk, nightstand, or wall. JOYTUTUS cup holder phone mount for car, your ideal travel companion. This universal phone mount effortlessly fits most cup holders and smartphones. With its extendable 9-inch neck and a 360-degree rotatable mount head, you have complete control over your phone's height and angle, ensuring the perfect viewing position. The stable rubber base guarantees your phone's security, even on bumpy rides. Installation is a cinch. Just insert the base, tighten the knob, and you're good to go. It's compatible with popular smartphones like the iPhone 13, Samsung Galaxy S22, and Google Pixel 6. Car clothes hanger bar strap, a must-have for travelers. This ingenious strap offers 7 hooks for easy organization of clothes, bags, ties, and more in your car. Crafted from heavy-duty safety belt-level material, it guarantees that your belongings won't slip or slide, even on rough roads. No more collapsing or bumping issues. Keep your car tidy and your essentials easily accessible during your journeys. Say goodbye to clutter with this space-saving and reliable solution. Tired of unreliable phone mounts that damage your car's vents or disrupt wireless charging? Anki's dashboard car pad is here to revolutionize your driving experience. Forget about sticking metal plates on your phone or struggling with cases and ring holders. This soft rubber pad keeps your phone scratch-free and ensures safe, one-handed operation while driving. It's washable and reusable, accommodating not only your phone but also other items like glasses. No more limitations or harm to your phone or car. SURDOCA car trunk organizer, setting a new standard in quality and performance. With continuous upgrades, it offers thicker and heavier 600D Oxford fabric for superior load-bearing capacity, along with upgraded stitching techniques for added strength and tear resistance. Unmatched quality is evident in its high-density Oxford fabric, providing excellent durability and waterproofing, with double the density of most competitors. Rigorous sewing processes and reinforced pockets ensure it withstands heavy use for years to come. Introducing Carbyte, your ultimate automotive companion. Carbyte is the world's first all-in-one device, combining an AFM or DFM disabler, start or stop disabler, and OBD-Link scan tool. In full-time V8 mode, it eliminates engine shutter, rough idle, and improves performance, all while reducing the risk of lifter failure. Say goodbye to the annoying start or stop feature, keeping your engine running when you come to a stop, and saving wear and tear on vital components. But that's not all. With the Carbyte app and your smartphone, it transforms into a full-featured diagnostic scan tool, allowing you to read and clear trouble codes. Take control of your vehicle's functions from your phone. Thanks for watching. You can buy these products using my links. All the product links are mentioned in the video description. Let's meet with a new video in next time.